Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Cristy Lawson and I'm here in the United States. This is my very first video on Lawson Digital, so I'm really excited and honestly a little bit nervous to share this with you. The reason I created this channel is simple. I want to document my journey as a new digital business owner. My hope is that by sharing my experiences, like the wins, the struggles, the lessons, you might find a story that resonates with you, especially if you've ever thought about starting something of your own. Let me take you back a little bit. I've always been curious about business and finding ways to earn extra income. Over the years, I tried so many things. I sold products online, I got into drop shipping, and even gave Bitcoin a shot. At first, I was so hopeful. I thought maybe this is the thing that's going to work for me. But one by one, those ventures either failed, burned me out, or simply didn't deliver the results I needed. And let me be honest, it was discouraging. Every time something didn't work, I questioned myself. Maybe I wasn't cut out for business. Maybe success was only for other people and not for me. But deep down, I always had this desire for more. Not just for money, but freedom. Freedom to work on my own terms, to spend more time with my family, and to create a life where I wasn't tied to someone else's schedule. For years, I kept seeing ads about starting a digital business. I scrolled past them, rolled my eyes sometimes, and told myself it's probably a scam. It won't work for me. But those ads kept popping up, almost like they were chasing me. And maybe you can relate to that. You keep ignoring something, but somehow it keeps finding its way back to you. Finally, one day I decided, what if I just give this a chance? What if this is the opportunity I've been searching for? And that decision changed everything. Now, I want to be real with you. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not some magical overnight success story. It's a business, a legitimate business. And like any other business, it takes effort, patience, and commitment. But what makes it different and what I love about it is that it's built on a system that works. And it's supported by a community of people who are walking this journey with me. And for the first time, I don't feel like I'm doing this alone, because I have guidance, I have tools and mentors who've been where I am, and that's powerful. So that's why I'm here, creating this channel. I want to share the ups and the downs and the lessons, and hopefully inspire someone out there who might be where I was, tired of failed attempts, but still holding on to hope that something better is out there. If that sounds like you, I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and follow along as I grow in this digital business world. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. I appreciate you being here, and I can't wait to connect with you in the next one. Until then, take care, and remember, sometimes the opportunity you've been ignoring might be just the one that changes your life. Have a good one. Bye for now.